This week in AI, we see a revolutionary way to rethink our photo libraries, a breakthrough in creative control that allows you to change the lighting of any image, and a massive leap in generative audio that is redefining the music industry. Welcome to Traffic Count 3 Weekly Roundup, where we show 3 news in the world of AI in 3 minutes. Let's dive right in. Google has officially integrated a groundbreaking feature into Google Photos called Photoshot, powered by the Pomeli engine. This tool allows users to take any existing photo and completely relight or repose the subject as if it were a fresh studio session. Unlike basic filters, Photoshop uses a sophisticated depth mapping AI that understands the geometry of the human face and body, allowing you to change the sun's position or the camera's focal length long after the shutter was pressed. For creators, this means the end of bad lighting or missed opportunities. You can transform a casual outdoor selfie into a professional headshot with a single tap. It is a massive step toward generative photography, where the original image serves as a base for a perfect AI-enhanced final product that looks indistinguishable from reality. Magnific AI has just released its most ambitious update to date, the Illuminati Relighting Engine. Known for its world-class upscaling, Magnific now allows creators to completely change the environmental lighting of an image with surgical precision. You can take a midday landscape and transform it into a golden hour sunset or a neon-drenched cyberpunk scene while maintaining 8K detail. The AI physically understands how light bounces off different textures, from skin to metallic surfaces. This update introduces a light source brush, giving artists the power to manually place virtual lights within a 2D image. For the design and advertising industries, this is a game changer, as it allows for infinite visual variations without the need for a reshoot. Magnific is no longer just making images larger, it is giving creators total control over the atmosphere and mood of their digital art. Also this week, Google DeepMind has unveiled a major update to Lyria, its most advanced model for music generation. This update allows Lyria to generate full-length, high-fidelity compositions with complex emotional arcs and instrumental layering. Unlike previous versions, Lyria can now preserve a specific artist's vocal style and musical fingerprint while generating entirely new melodies and lyrics. This makes it a powerful tool for songwriters to prototype ideas or for filmmakers to create dynamic, adaptive scores in real time. Crucially, the update includes advanced watermarking technology through SynthID, ensuring that AI-generated audio is traceable and ethical. For the music industry, Lyria represents a shift toward collaborative AI, where artists can use the model to expand their creative range rather than simply replacing it. It is the first time a generative music tool has offered this level of professional-grade control over rhythm, mood, and timbre. Okay, and that's it for this week's AI news. And remember, the AI we are living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.